Well, can you figure out how to undo an update on iPhone or iPad? Please keep watching, for we will go about completing it right now. Part 1. All you need to know before undoing an iOS update. Backup iPhone may alter settings and overwrite existing data. Ensure enough free space. Turn off Find My iPhone in Settings iCloud. Find My iPhone disable and confirm iCloud credentials. Select a reputable utility for the update. Part 2. How to undo an update on iPhone without data loss. How to go back to the previous iOS version on iPhone without technical hassle. Just take a look at iOS System Recovery here. This program is advanced yet user-friendly, which assists you in downgrading iOS systems like an expert. Part 3. How to undo iPhone update via iTunes. Launch iTunes. Connect iPhone via cable. Turn off iOS device if not already. Boot into recovery mode. iPhone 8s Plus and later. Quick press and release volume up, then volume down. Press and hold side until recovery mode. For iPhone 7s Plus, press power plus volume down till connect to iTunes logo. For iPhone 6 seconds and older, hold power plus home till connect to iTunes symbol. iTunes detects phone. Click Restore or Update. Confirm. Agree to warning. iTunes reverts iOS update. Enter Apple ID or passcode. Boot normally. Part 4. How to delete an iOS 15 beta profile on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to General. Go for Storage and iCloud usage. Select Manage Storage. Locate the iOS software update and tap it. Touch Delete Update. Confirm the action to delete the update. Additional tips. What are the risks of downgrading iOS? Downloading iOS may void warranty or brick the device. Backup from iOS 15 can be restored to iOS 14. Device might get stuck in white or black or red or blue screens. Downgrading may cause errors. Device may become unresponsive post-downgrade.